Looking for quick and delicious veg salad recipes? Well, search no more. We're about to dive into a culinary journey exploring 10 different, fast, and easy veg salad recipes. Each recipe is packed with flavor, ensuring you never have to compromise taste for time. From the crisp freshness of cucumbers to the hearty satisfaction of chickpeas, we've got a salad for every palate. So grab your chopping board and let's get started. Stay tuned to discover how simple it is to create these mouth-watering salads at home. Kickstart your healthy eating with a refreshing cucumber salad. Gather 2 large cucumbers, a handful of fresh dill, a clove of garlic, and some apple cider vinegar. Start by thinly slicing your cucumbers and dicing your garlic. Then in a bowl, combine these with the chopped dill. Drizzle with apple cider vinegar and give everything a good toss until well combined. Let it sit for a few minutes to let the flavors meld together. A perfect blend of crunch and zesty flavors, this cucumber salad is a must-try. Next up, we have a vibrant tomato avocado salad. This refreshing dish starts with ripe, juicy tomatoes and creamy avocados. A pinch of salt and a sprinkle of black pepper enhance their natural flavors. Then, a squeeze of fresh lime juice adds a tangy twist. Toss them together gently, maintaining the avocado's shape. For the finale, sprinkle some chopped cilantro on top, giving it a pop of color and a hint of earthiness. Enjoy the creamy richness of avocado paired with juicy tomatoes in this salad. Add a pop of color to your meal with a beetroot and orange salad. This invigorating combination needs fresh beetroots, juicy oranges, a handful of rocket leaves, and a sprinkle of feta cheese. Start by roasting the beetroots until tender, then peel and slice them. Peel the oranges and slice into rounds. Toss the beetroot, orange slices, and rocket leaves together, then top with crumbled feta. Drizzle with a simple vinaigrette of olive oil, vinegar, honey, and mustard. This salad, with its vibrant colors and flavors, is sure to impress. Give your salad a protein boost with this nutritious quinoa salad. Start by cooking quinoa in boiling water until it's soft and fluffy. While that's simmering, gather a colorful array of veggies. Think bell peppers, cucumbers, cherry tomatoes. Chop them up and toss them in a large bowl. Once the quinoa is ready, mix it in with the veggies. Drizzle with a tangy lemon vinaigrette, sprinkle with fresh herbs, and voila! You have a vibrant, healthy salad. This hearty quinoa salad is a complete meal in itself. Next, we have a classic, the Greek salad. Start by gathering crisp cucumbers, ripe tomatoes, juicy olives, and a chunk of tangy feta cheese. For the dressing, you'll need olive oil, red wine vinegar, oregano, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Slice the veggies, crumble the feta, and toss everything together. Drizzle the dressing over it and give it a good mix. And there you have it. This salad is a medley of fresh vegetables and tangy feta. Incredibly satisfying. Combine sweet and savory with a spinach and strawberry salad. This delightful dish starts with fresh, crisp spinach leaves. Add a generous handful of ripe, juicy strawberries, sliced thin. For the dressing, whisk together olive oil, balsamic vinegar, honey, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Drizzle it over the spinach and strawberries. Toss gently to combine. Top it off with some crumbled feta and crunchy toasted almonds for a bit of tang and texture. This salad is a delightful mix of sweet strawberries and fresh spinach. Next, we have the carrot and raisin salad. Start by grating 4 fresh, crunchy carrots into a bowl. Take half a cup of plump raisins and toss them in. For the dressing, whisk together 2 tablespoons of honey, a splash of lemon juice, and a pinch of salt. Pour this over the carrots and raisins, mixing well. Allow it to chill in the fridge for an hour before serving. This salad combines the sweetness of raisins with the crunch of carrots, a match made in heaven. Add a crunch to your meal with a broccoli and almond salad. This recipe calls for fresh broccoli florets, roasted almonds, dried cranberries, and a homemade vinaigrette. Start by blanching the broccoli to keep it vibrant and crispy. Next, roast the almonds to enhance their nutty flavor. Toss these together with the cranberries, then drizzle with a tangy vinaigrette made from olive oil, vinegar, honey, and a pinch of salt. Give it a good mix, and voila! This salad is both nutritious and delicious, offering a great crunch. Next, we have a classic combination, apple and walnut salad. Gather up your fresh, crisp apples, crunchy walnuts, and tangy lemon juice. Start by chopping the apples into bite-sized pieces, and squeezing a bit of lemon juice over them to keep them from browning. In a separate bowl, toss together the apples, walnuts, and a drizzle of honey for sweetness. Give it a good mix and voila! Your apple and walnut salad is ready to serve. This salad is a perfect blend of sweet apples and crunchy walnuts. Finally, we have a protein-packed chickpea salad. You'll need canned chickpeas, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and red onions for the base. For the dressing, whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, salt, and pepper. Now mix the vegetables and chickpeas, then pour over the dressing and toss until everything is coated. Sprinkle with crumbled feta cheese and fresh parsley. Chill in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours before serving to allow the flavors to melt. This hearty salad is perfect for a quick, nutritious meal. And that's a wrap on our quick and delicious veg salad recipes. From the refreshing crunch of the cucumber salad to the vibrant blend of the beetroot and orange salad, we've explored 10 unique, nutritious, and tasty salads. We've journeyed through the hearty quinoa salad, savored the classic Greek salad, and relished the sweet and tangy apple and walnut salad, amongst others. Each one brings its own distinct flavor and health benefits to your table. With these recipes, you're all set to enjoy a variety of salads right at home. Happy cooking!